Every day you wake up with a choice: stay the same or become stronger. And sometimes the biggest change starts with something as simple as a bicycle. Cycling every day is one of the most effective and life-changing habits you can add to your routine. It does not require a gym membership, special coaching, or expensive equipment. You simply need a bicycle and a decision to ride. This small choice creates a huge impact on your body, mind, and lifestyle. Cycling is unique because it fits naturally into daily life. You can ride to school, to work, to the market, or around your neighborhood and still get the benefits of a full workout. That is why millions of people choose cycling as their daily exercise to stay active, healthy, and energized. One of the biggest benefits of everyday cycling is cardiovascular improvement. Your heart becomes stronger when it is used regularly. Cycling increases your heart rate in a safe, controlled way, which trains the heart to pump blood more efficiently. This reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Even short rides of 15 to 20 minutes a day can significantly improve heart health. Over time, your stamina increases, you feel less tired, and you can do daily tasks with more energy. Cycling also plays an important role in weight management. It burns calories steadily without putting too much stress on your body. An average ride can burn hundreds of calories depending on your speed and intensity. When cycling becomes a daily habit, it boosts your metabolism. Your body starts burning calories even when you are resting. This helps reduce body fat, especially around the waist, and improves your overall shape. For people who struggle with consistent workouts, cycling is perfect because it is enjoyable, smooth, and easier to continue. Long-term mental health is another powerful area where cycling makes a huge difference. Modern life is filled with stress, pressure, and mental exhaustion. But when you start pedaling, your body releases feel-good hormones like serotonin and endorphins. These chemicals reduce stress, improve mood, and give you a sense of happiness. Many cyclists say that riding feels like therapy. Fresh air, sunlight, and movement refresh your mind and help you think more clearly. Even on difficult days, a 15-minute ride can lift your mood and help you feel more positive. Cycling is also one of the best low-impact exercises for joint health. Unlike running or jumping, cycling does not put heavy pressure on your knees, ankles, or hips. Instead, your joints move in smooth circular motions, which strengthens them without causing damage. This makes cycling suitable for all ages, including people with joint pain or those recovering from injuries. Daily cycling keeps your joints flexible and reduces long-term risk of injury. A major physical benefit of cycling is stronger legs. Every pedal stroke activates your calves, quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Over time, these muscles become toned and powerful. Strong legs improve your walking speed, your balance, and your ability to lift or carry things. At the same time, cycling also strengthens your core because you need stability to stay balanced on the bicycle. A stronger core reduces back pain, improves posture, and increases overall strength. Cycling every day also improves lung capacity. As you ride, you breathe deeper and increase oxygen flow throughout your body. This strengthens your lungs and improves endurance. People who cycle regularly notice that they can climb stairs, walk long distances, or perform activities without getting tired easily. For anyone who wants to improve stamina, cycling is one of the best options. Your immune system also benefits from daily cycling. Moderate exercise improves blood circulation and helps your body fight infections more effectively. Regular cyclists often experience fewer colds and illnesses because their immune system becomes stronger and more active. This means more energetic days and fewer sick days. Sleep quality improves greatly when you cycle daily. Physical activity helps your body relax, reduces stress, and regulates hormones. People who cycle regularly fall asleep faster, enjoy deeper sleep, and wake up feeling more refreshed. Good sleep boosts memory, mood, productivity, and overall quality of life. Cycling also builds discipline. When you commit to riding every day, you train your mind to stay consistent even when motivation is low. This discipline spreads into other areas of life such as work, study, or personal habits. You feel more focused and more responsible because you are practicing commitment daily. Another advantage is that cycling saves money. It reduces transportation, fuel cost, and gym expenses. Riding a bicycle is eco-friendly and helps reduce pollution creating cleaner air for everyone. You stay healthy and the environment benefits too. Cycling gives you a sense of freedom. You can explore new roads, discover new places, and enjoy the world around you in a more personal way. Every ride feels different and brings a fresh experience. This adds excitement to daily life and breaks the monotony of routine. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel also like this.